Hello, Next community. I wanted to kind of show you what I'm working on here. So this is an ANIMO system, Next Intel box, and it's a Pentium Iii. It's got a MSI 6368 motherboard, socket 370 Pentium chip, and it's got 512 megs of SD RAM. They're 133 megahertz bus. And then let's see if we can see in here. I'll just look down here. So the first slot, and I've got all the cards loose in here now because I'm working on it. It's got an Adaptec 2940 SCSI card. And it's got an Imagine number 9 card. And a 3-com PCI Ethernet card. And then a fast screen machine card for doing video capture. And it's the SCSI controller's connected to, it's got a CD DVD ROM, floppy drive, and then we've got dual caviar SCSI hard drives. And so the problem that's happening currently is we're not getting video when it powers up. And I've tried pulling the video card, I've tried the onboard video, and I've tried a different video cable. I know the monitor works. So what I've done is I found a new old stock motherboard online, identical, went ahead and bought it, found what appears to be a good pull of a number 9 Imagine. I bought some Kingston RAM, because usually no video is something, they say RAM, could be the video cable, could be the power supply, could be the video card, or something wrong with the motherboard. So those would be the main things that would go wrong, or a faulty monitor. So what I'm going to do is set up a second clone system, and I'll kind of keep you guys in the loop. And this is the money maker here, as ANIMO was about a $40,000 software package. And this is the dongle, and this is for Jon Hoops. He's done quite a bit of cool work. He worked on the Simpsons movie, which was done using ANIMO and NeXTstep. So NeXTstep's the primary operating system, and then ANIMO runs underneath it. And I also worked with Warner Brothers back in the day. If you've ever seen the movie Space Jam, we integrated the 7 systems that used to make that movie. Also helped on Iron Giant and Prince of Egypt. And there were a lot of other movies from that era. Beavis and Butthead movie, for example, that were all done using ANIMO and NeXTstep. So it's a pretty cool app. And I've got all the original manuals here and stuff. So it's going to be pretty fun just going through all this stuff and seeing if I can get it all to work. And then we'll be able to make movies. So stay tuned. Cool stuff coming.